Now let's and as for the bare angle, this is very important. I must tell you how to clarify it. You can see this one is long. It's very long, right? So the bare angle will be 85 degrees by the width is very let me say it's about 30 degrees. So the bare angle of PN series is 85 by 70 degrees. But this one is a square one is 85 by 85 degrees.
Yes.
So this is that bare angle is different. You can see these two pictures here. There one is PZ series. You can see the here and the PN series. The here is much bigger than PN series. And the power factor of this both of these two penalized can up to 0.95 or just 0.19.
It's 95.
Oh, 95. And say I can up to 18 RA light.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now and as for compared with normal penalized, the luminous of these two can up to 130 to 115.
Yes,
for each voltage. So, and the next we would like to talk about their advantages. The first one, I think it might be 5 or 6 compared with traditional one.
Yes.
Traditional is penalized. The first is it can protect our ears. It's very convenient if you use it in school and some business office.
Yes.
Like some office some workers will feel tired when they work for a long time.
Yeah.
So the light is very important. This kind of light, if you use this one, you will not let me feel the tired or other feel want to sleep.
Yes, this is the earlier types. The UGR can be less than 16.
Yes, you use the second option of design.
Yeah.
And the second one is very environmental protection because this you can see these modules and like that can be easy to replace. If you it doesn't work, you find it doesn't work, you can just replace these models. So you don't need to buy a new penalizer. It's very convenient.
Yes.
Then secondly, it can support the DALI and 1 to 10 voltage dimming. You can choose like we mentioned before. You can choose a different driver for DALI or other dimming.
Yeah.
And the third one is you can also adjust the color temperatures.
Yes, color temperature is adjustable.
Like maybe some of you are still use traditional panel light is very for a long time you may feel that it's very terrible. And you can use is the best choice for you to use like a school, office, and even supermarket.
Yeah.
Some supermarkets and other place like a hospital maybe can also use this one.
Yes, hospital, meeting room, and other indoor place.
Yes, you can this one, but the I want to mention is the IP grade is only IP20. So if you want to use underwater, it's impossible. And as for the installation, we have 3 types of ways.
Yes.
One is steering.
Yes.
And resistor and suspension.
Yes,
this 3 type of maybe I will let you see on our here now. Here you can see I will let you see this one. No, this one. Can you see? This one is a PN series. It's a selling one. And this model is easy to take it off. Can you have a? Now let Fred show you us how to take the modular part off. Okay, please wait a moment. Hi. This one is a single modulus. So when you install this kind of panel light, you must make sure all the power is cut off, and your children are not in room. Otherwise, if you don't cut the power off, you may get electrocuted. And as for the packages, we use the first three size, 600 by 600, 620 by 620, and 300 by 1200. These three size, we use 4 pieces in one carton.
Yes, we package the 4 pieces.
And but for the big size, 600 by 1200, we just use 3 pieces in one carton, right? Yes. So let me see. We have only 5 minutes to go on our review show. If you want to know more details about this panel light, you can keep touch with us after review shows, and just feel free to contact both of us.